Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are back at the Flamingo Las Vegas, and I'm excited to share with you the new Go Pool that just reopened here. We will do that, but first I wanted to give you a peek at the really cool area right outside of the pool area, which is the Flamingo Las Vegas Wildlife Habitat, and it is really cool. It is part of the landscape of this hotel property. You do not have to be a guest here to enjoy it. Anyone can walk through this. They have flamingos, huge koi fish, turtles, lots of birds, but just kind of a neat area. Great for families. And this is open daily from 7 until 8 p.m. But just really fun, kind of neat part of Las Vegas that you'll want to take in. So wanted to give you a look at this before we talk about the big news, which is the fact that they just reopened the iconic Go Pool at Flamingo. So this is what that looks like. Crazy cool. It has had a total transformation. It is 21 and over. There are 5 all new swimming pools, a 30-seat swim-up bar, VIP cabanas, live DJs 7 days a week. Crazy. Like I said, this place is hopping, and as you can imagine, it has been wildly popular. So you're going to want to make reservations, or if you're a Caesars Diamond member and above, they have a separate line for you. You can just pretty much walk right up and get entry into here. So that is a huge perk for Caesars Diamond and above rewards members. So don't forget, join those rewards programs. They do have their perks. So anyway, this is just such a well done pool area. I can't get over the transformation and just what a fun new addition to Las Vegas this is. So let me know if you have questions. I'll kind of just let you enjoy the view and the look around as we walk through the pool area, but I will have all the details down below. Such a fun place to hang out in this Las Vegas summer heat. Enjoy. Okay, so there's a peek at the new Go Pool at Flamingo Las Vegas. So cool. Let me know if you have questions or if you visit. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.